In progress.
Hello everyone, I just want to show you this new whistle that just came in from the makers of the wind whistles at Tewa. Look at this one, very colorful, although if you order one I can't guarantee that's the color you're going to get because they pride themselves on making them all different colors, and so it's always a guess. Alright, listen up, here you go. I'm loving this new sound. Not sure turtles really make that sound, but I'm loving the new whistle. So thank you and have a wonderful day. You can get these over at thepracticalshaman.com/store.